Hey Liz, slow down. Where you going?
Hey, what's up, Levi? Nothing, I'm lost, but hey, now that I have you here, do you want to check out the one bedroom, one bath?
Let's do it.
Let's go, come on in. So this one is actually 783 square footage. And we got a dining area here in the living room area. We got a nice kitchen areas. Stainless steel appliances. Good size refrigerator. Granite countertops. We also have a dishwasher.
It comes with the washer and dryer as well.
That's correct, Levi. So right here we have the washer and dryer full size. We also have valet trash that services that will pick up your trash for you.
Awesome.
And if you come right this way, I'll show you the bedroom. All right, guys, this is the bedroom right here. Master bedroom. It is a one bedroom, one bath. Of course, we do have a walk-in closet, good size walk-in closet. Also, you do have access to the patio from the bedroom and living room area.
Check it out.
We also have a storage room right here. Good size storage room, you can fit a couple boxes in there. Let's check out the bathroom. It's right this way. Good size bathtub. Thank you so much, guys, for touring with us. Please give us a call if you have any questions. We are opening soon. Cross your fingers so we can get those move-ins. Right, Levi?
Right, that's right.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.